Here's another video of a cat named A. I miss filming you. There's a squirrel up there. He is a cute kitty though, I'm not gonna lie. Pretty day out though. Yeah, here he is on the rocks. He apparently likes the garden. Definitely, these are definitely a few of my favorite bracelets. So yeah. Ace. Over there. He over there likes the garden. Apparently Ace still explores a little bit, but it's alright. Yeah, he really likes the garden. Well, maybe this can be for tomorrow's video. I can upload these tomorrow. Yeah.